Hi guys, my name is Michael. I'm a junior. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make an American flag out of Legos. Fun fact about me, I like to go on bike rides. So you're going to want a 16x16 white plate, 10 1x1 white pieces, 10 1x1 blue pieces, 6 1x3 blue pieces, 2 1x2 blue pieces, as well as a number of red pieces, which I'll talk more about later. So you're going to want to start creating a frame out of the blue pieces in the top left corner of the white plate. This will serve as the boundary for where the stars are going to be, which we're going to show in the next step. So here you're going to want to create a checkerboard pattern out of the blue and white studs that we have as shown. And eventually you'll get something that looks like this. Now here's where the creativity kicks in. You might not have the same red pieces as I do, but as long as you have enough to create the stripes, it's all fine. So using the pieces that I have, I filled it in this way to create the stripes. And this is what you get, and thank you for watching.